Hello there tech enthusiasts, it's Lee back again, and today we're diving headfirst into a device that's been making waves in the feature phone realm. The Nokia 2660 Flip. The pocket-friendly communicator is generating quite a buzz with its straightforward design and essential features. So if you're ready to explore the ins and outs of this handset, grab a seat and let's get started. And if you're new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell to stay updated on all things tech. Alright, let's kick things off with the unboxing experience and our first impression of the Nokia 2660 Flip. With a price tag hovering around $70, it aims to capture the heart of those seeking functionality without breaking the bank. But what does the budget-friendly price get you? Let's crack open the box and find out. And hey, before we move on, I'd love to hear your thoughts, so make sure you drop a comment below and share your take on this device. Inside the modest packaging, we're greeted by the Nokia 2660 Flip itself, nestled comfortably within. Alongside, there's a micro USB charging brick, a set of handy product brochures to help you get started, and a user replaceable 1450 mAh battery, a thoughtful addition to keep you powered up on the go. Now let's talk about build and the design. As you might expect from a device in the price range, the Nokia 2660 Flip is constructed using polycarbonate plastic. It boasts a robust build that feels reassuringly well put together. Despite its lightweight profile, it doesn't compromise on durability, making it capable of handling inevitable bumps and knocks of daily life. Peeling back the layers, we discover some interesting hardware highlights. Dual displays graces the Nokia 2660 Flip, a compact 1.77-inch external display offering quick glance at notifications and the time. Inside, a more generous 2.8-inch display takes centre stage for your tasks and interactions. But there's a standout feature, the emergency key, customisable to dial a loved one during urgent situations. It adds an extra layer of security, and if you're all about effortless charging, there's an optional cradle accessory available for convenient powering up. Shifting our focus to storage and connectivity, the Nokia 2660 Flip offers approximately 128 MB of built-in storage. If that sounds a bit tight for your multimedia needs, fret not, an SD card slot can accommodate up to 32 GB of additional space. Connectivity-wise, the device supports 4G Lite on dual SIM cards, granting you the freedom to stay connected with ease. Time to zoom in on the camera and the user experience. The Nokia 2660 Flip features a VGA camera, bolstered by an LED flash. While it's not a photographic powerhouse by any means, it's sufficient for quick snapshots and basic imagery. On the flip side, pun intended, the keypad takes centre stage. Boasting generously sized buttons with tactile feedback, typing becomes a breeze, a major highlight of this device. Venturing into the realm of operating systems, the Nokia 2660 Flip operates on the Nokia S30 Plus OS. Designed for simplicity and efficiency, it excels in the basic calls, text and lightweight web browsing. You won't find a plethora of apps, but classic games like Snake and Tetris are on board for a dose of nostalgia. However, don't expect access to social media or handle complex email tasks. This device is all about streamlining communication and essential functions. How about the battery life and performance? Nokia claim up to an impressive 20 days of standby time with dual 4G enabled SIM cards. In real world scenarios, this may translate to around 5 to 10 days, depending on your usage pattern. When it comes to talk time, expect just over 6 hours on 4G. In conclusion, the Nokia 2660 Flip emerges as an ideal companion for those who prioritise straightforward communication and simplicity. While it won't replace your smartphone, it seamlessly serves as a secondary phone, offering extended battery life and basic features without the distraction of modern app-centric devices. Now, I'm eager to hear your thoughts on this new format. Let's keep the conversation going in the comments below. And for more insights into feature phones, check out my video on the Nokia 6300 or explore my latest uploads right here. As always, remember to hit that thumbs up button, share this video with fellow tech enthusiasts, and make sure to subscribe for more engaging content. Until next time.